Horizon wiper. Pulling the foot. Wiper. Oh, time. This time, instead of 3 pounds, this time 2. 1, 2, cross. Okay lang ka, huwag niyo pipitaan. Let's go. Harder, let's go! Go, push! Get it up. Hold bang, sit bang. Alternating bang.
Every time na nag-iwalay yung paa natin, okay, so tawag natin dito is split. This time, samahan natin siya ng through the leg. 1, 2, 3. Then we go split. 2, under.
Yeah. We call this foot switch. Dito yung pa natin. Foot switch. Yeah. So from 1-4.
Push, Leon!
Visit on your pocket. The same footwork, instead of doing foot replacement, going to add speed stop. Sa training, wala tayong defender. So ito, sure to avoid this. Kasi in real game, ito siya boys. Yan. Ito yung tuhod ng defender. Pag ang ginawa nyo, lumagpas kayo dito. Offensive, make sure avoid this cone like this. Foot switch.
Nice one.
Let's go. Under. Speed stop. Go. Good. Speed stop. Gawin nyo lang, split catch. Split catch yung bola, dapat naka-split kayo. Pasa, split. Attack dito. 1, 2, finish. O, 1, doon, dito. Doon ka, punta sa side. Tatay lang. Nice one. Last one.
Ito ah. Magantong blade.
Time. Foot switch, speed stop, tira. Gets? Tapos balik lang, rebound, ikot lang.
Split nyo kaya?
Speed stop, tira. Last one. Rebound, backwards. Go, kasi yung footwork ka na. Sumunod na ba sa'yo? Okay. So second step finish or tinatawag siyang yung normal layup natin. Halimbawa, after yung pick up, 1, 2, finish. Switch. Aga pa, yan. Di ba? Isa pa. Ibon, attack dito. Tapos live. Okay.
Tapos may practice pa mamaya.